What's up, guys? Today we're going to finally finish off the build of this Glock. If you guys have been watching for a while, you'll remember that this Glock started off as my service weapon for 14 years. I carried it every single day on my hip. And then they replaced them with new Glocks, and I bought this one. I took it and had the slide milled for the optic, and then Cerakoted green. And I put on suppressor height sights. I then gutted the frame and the slide and replaced everything except for the firing pin and the plunger with 9mm parts. And I didn't do the firing pin and the plunger because those are the same in the 9 as they are in the 40. So basically it's a Glock 22 that has been converted to a 17. The only thing not Glock on it is the optic and the barrel. Even the trigger is still Glock, is the performance trigger. So today we're going to go see if it'll shoot. I am not going to lie to you, I'm a little bit nervous because I've never done this before, and the last thing I want this gun to do is blow up in my hand. So yeah, let's go do that. One round at a time, testing it. Good. It's not bad. That was hang on that one. Take that to 15. Then we'll go 3 rounds, start sighting. Okay, you can stop filming. Alright guys, so we're back. As you can see, she shoots just a little bit low and a little bit off to the left. This was my Glock 34. This was at they were both at 15 yards. But you can see I was sighting in. I did not have my tool to adjust the windage and the elevation with me, so I'll have to do that and go back and do that. But from 15 yards, if that's all it's off, I'm not too worried about that. Most of your shooting encounters are closer than 15 yards. These up here were just goofing around. But yeah, as you saw in the video, I know the audio probably wasn't fantastic because there were a lot of people shooting. But busy day at Governor's Gun Club in Kennesaw, Georgia. But went off without a hitch. The only problem I had was twice when the magazine ran dry, the slide didn't lock back. That could be operator error. It may have been my thumb that bumped it. Maybe the spring in there is needing to be replaced, because that's another part that is still originally Glock, is the slide release and the spring therein. So I may need to replace that. This gun has quite a few rounds through it on those parts. So anyway, let me know what y'all think of the video down below in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and I'm pretty impressed. I'm pretty pleased with it. I built the Glock. Well, I rebuilt the Glock. Gutted it and rebuilt it. What's next? Building one from scratch? Maybe some 3D printing? I don't know. I got a couple friends that are talking about doing some 3D printing Glock lowers. They're going to need somebody to install all the parts. And I am a Glock armor, so maybe. See you next time.